it's enough to blow your mind, isn't it? Laughed Kia.
Yeah, it's enough to blow your mind, isn't it? Laughed Kia.
And remember, we're still talking about the nearest stars in our galaxy.
And remember, we're still talking about the nearest stars in our galaxy.
Wendy X, continue.
Our sun is one of about 200 billion stars in our galaxy. More of those stars are much, much further away than 4 light years. And then there are hundreds of billions of different galaxies in the universe. The only way we could ever visit them would be if we could travel much, much faster than the speed of light.
Good. Kobe, please continue.
According to Einstein, that would be impossible. It was actually means that you would be traveling in time. Now,
Good. Stop there. Sorry. Everybody again. Now Sarah was really interested.
Now Sarah was really interested.
Traveling in time? She exclaimed. What do you mean?
Traveling in time, she explained. What do you mean?
Jackson.
Well, before Einstein, scientists believed that time, space, and mass were always the same everywhere, explained Kia.
And Brian?
They believed that 1 second was always 1 second, 1 kilometer was always 1 kilometer, and 1 kilogram was always 1 kilogram.
And Rafi?
But Einstein showed us that these things all depend on where you are and how you look at them. Sarah was a very clever student, but now even she was confused.
Everybody please. Here's how Einstein described it, continued Kia helpfully.
Here's how Einstein described it, continued Kia helpfully.
Imagine some people are in an elevator at the top of a very tall building.
Imagine some people are in an elevator at the top of a very tall building.
And that elevator started to fall to the ground.
And that elevator started to fall to the ground.
Angela.
That was be carefully, said Sarah. The elevator would go speeding down, getting faster and faster until the 4 people got crashed at the bottom, right, said Kia.
And Winnie.
But now, imagine that building have no bottom. Imagine it went down forever. Then the elevator would never crash.
Everybody please. From the outside, it would look like the elevator was moving very fast.
From the outside, it would look like the elevator was moving very fast.
And continue please, Wendy.
But for people inside who spent all their lives in that falling elevator, everything would just seem normal. They would not even know that they were moving.
And Jolene please.
In fact, if that elevator passed a person outside who was not moving, the people inside the elevator would think that the person outside was moving, not them. In other words, everything depends on where you are.
Everyone, now Sarah was beginning to understand.
Now Sarah was beginning to understand.
Peter please.
So she said something a little so that's why we feel that the earth is always still, but actually it's always been
1,600
kilometers and it's always orbit the sun at over
100,000.
kilometers per hour.
Okay, and Louis, please continue.
that's right, said Kia exactly. And that's why people used to believe that the sun moves across our sky. I see, said Sarah. I've often wondered about this kind of thing when I've traveled on trains. I used to stand at one end of the train and jump as high as I could. I always thought I should land at a different place because the train was moving. But actually, I always landed in exactly the same place because I was moving with the train.
Can you understand what that means?